Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ina and today I'm going to show you my skin 2 years after V-beam laser that I did for my redness, for my rosacea, and see how it affected me after 2 years. Did anything came back? All that stuff is in this video, so keep on watching. So 2 years ago, I have done a major damage to my skin to get rid of rosacea. I have a very bad one. My skin used to flare up. It was just red. I would feel the heat and like the tingling itchiness on my skin. And my problem area is here and my chin, like that. Looks like I'm sunburned all the time. So right now I actually don't have any makeup except lips and eyes. The skin, it just has a moisturizer. I will have a closer look also, but I just wanted to share with you 2 years, see if it's something worth doing even after, does it last? Like things like this. So I just wanted to share my story and how it affected my life afterwards. So we're going to do the close-up. Obviously I have breakouts, this is just the breakouts, but you still could see that this area is still pinker than my rest of my face, and here and here. All right, so while we are so close, I just wanted to point out I do have, it's hard to see, but I do have another vein here and more here. They do come up because here's the deal. So if your skin has a tendency to have the veins that makes it red underneath, you will still get them. That's the truth. You will still get them even if you do what I did and it was like the high level of V-beam laser. It really killed all those veins, but throughout the years I'll still have them or they will come up. Especially, I think the problem is especially if I pop my pimples. I still have breakouts, so sometimes I pop them and it causes the veins. I think that's what it came from a bad acne. And after 2 years, do I regret? Absolutely not. I know it was really ugly. I had to really wait this one out. But I feel like while right now it's COVID and everybody's wearing a mask, I could do this again if I wanted to. But for now, I don't have as much veins, let's say, and redness as I used to. So I don't have to do it, but I am considering it, maybe doing it in a few years for sure, because I still have redness and I would love to kill it even more. The major difference I saw after these 2 years is the fact that I was able to not feel heat as much. If you have rosacea and if you have flare-ups, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And that's when you just sit and your face just gets hot. Like anything. You don't have to run. You don't have to do anything. It literally has a flare-up and it just, you touch and it's just hot. And it gets red and it's ugly and it's just something we hate as rosacea people. So I don't get that anymore. I know I had to do the high level because the first one didn't work on me. We had to go all out at that level because that's the only thing that could actually kill those veins that caused all that redness. And as of now, I still would put makeup to get redness, and it still has its waves. It can get a little redder than other days, but I'm still very happy. So I still recommend it. Even to this day, even 2 years after, I would recommend if you're just tired of that redness. And especially if you see that it's more on a veins side, you could see more veins underneath the skin. I mean, it didn't really, like, it doesn't leave any scars. That one never left any scars. I put ointment every single day and night, but it did not damage like anything afterwards. So I don't regret it because it was all kind of internal. It was never on top of my skin. It happened everything underneath the skin. So to me, it was nothing to worry about. So that's why I recommend, is because it doesn't leave scars. If you get a professional person doing that for you, no scars, just honestly result, simple result. Again, I only did one full session of that, and that's what the difference, that this is the difference for one session. And I just wanted to share that my experience in this, and how I would recommend it for everyone who has redness. Again, it's not a major difference, but it's like literally one tone red down, one. But it comes with less flare-ups and less heat because you have less veins underneath the skin. It kind of less blood runs underneath this area, if that makes sense. And I'm still very happy because I don't go around like a tomato. So to me, it made sense. To me, it still made a difference, even with that huge, week or two of healing. But if you're so tired of your red rosacea, and if your skin is itching, like feels like something is crawling on it kind of thing, it makes a difference. Honestly, I don't get that at all anymore, because it really also, it did kill, I guess, that whatever was going on top of the skin, it killed it too. So to me, it's a huge difference. And this is my skin now. I'm trying to get a different light. See, it's still pink. Like, let's say this area is not pink, but this is. It's still thicker than any other skin that I have, because it's just what it is. But I can live with that, and I would do it again. I would do it again in a few years, because I noticed that the veins still come out more here and there. So that's what makes it even more red for me. So maybe in a few years, I'll take a week off and do this all over again, because I noticed that that's the only thing that worked. And some people actually use ointments and things that, cancels the redness. And you're just tired of that. Like, I'm pretty sure anybody who has redness think that it's just annoying to put makeup. You just want to go out without makeup and not be a red tomato. So just wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope it was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.